Start.
Oh, that was a great sleep, wasn't it?
Yeah. What's it about then?
Oh, well, I've just woken up, Peppa. Did you have a good sleep, Peppa? Peppa? You awake yet?
Can you just get in his dress?
Oh, this guy's awake. Whoa. Peppa? Peppa's having a good sleep, isn't she?
Pretend you just got her dressed.
Oh, Peppa, it's time to get dressed. Already dressed? Wonderful. Let's start another adventure. Are you ready, Peppa?
I had a great dream about going camping.
Camping? Wow.
Should we go camping?
Let's go camping.
Okay, here I am. I'm all dressed for camping. I'm
Okay.
in my camping clothes, and you too. Let's bring a pet, so we don't want to leave him alone.
Oh, let's bring our tents too.
It's actually a van. We can turn it into a van too.
Oh, it's a camper van tent.
A person.
Okay, here we go.
Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom. And get up.
Oh, we've made it.
We have to pay with my credit card.
Oh, you've got a credit card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sign in. Here.
I didn't know we had to pay for this camping.
Beep.
Oh, thank you, Peppa. Did you pay?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you for that.
Now we can go inside our camping. Follow me, Daddy Pig.
Okay. Oh, it's very soft, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you imagine if we could sleep here?
I think we might be able to under the stars.
Yeah, but we're actually sleeping here.
Okay, let's bring our bed over here then.
Oh, but it stays here. We can't move it.
Okay.
Because then it'll just fall through a crack and it'll break.
Well, it's quite comfortable here, isn't it?
You need to sleep in there, yo.
Okay.
It's pretty hot here. Because we actually went to camping. We went to a desert island.
Ooh. Nice break from winter.
It's nice and hot.
It is nice and hot.
Oh my god. I'm going to go and get some fresh air and stay at a window for a few minutes. Oh my god!
What is it, Peppa?
It's lots of... I'm just going to fall. Look how deep it is down here. This is so deep.
Oh, you be careful, Peppa.
Woo!
What is it, Peppa?
Look, come. It's bug! Dad!
Oh, it's a spider. Don't worry. Don't worry, Peppa. Looks like a nice day out today. It doesn't look like the desert. Peppa?
Here's our pet. I want to go to water. Our pet can talk, you know.
Really?
Yeah, hear him. I want to go to a water. I want to go to a water.
Some water.
Yeah.
I might be able to find some water for you. Should we go and look for some water?
There's no water at deserts.
Oh, that's right. We are. We are in the desert, aren't we?
So it's usually water at deserts, but this desert doesn't have water.
It's as dry as a desert.
Yeah. It's really hot. And this as it gets hotter and hotter. I'm suffocating. We better get to our water. And take a nice swim. Let's hop in our vehicle.
Let's go. Wait for me.
We can't dive, so of course we'll wait for you.
We're here already, are we?
Yeah, it's a shortcut.
Can you see any water here?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, you found some water, Peppa.
He can't fit.
Oh dear, we have to climb up, won't we?
Easy. I just need to get a camping rope. I have an idea. Yeah.
Whoa. Wow, how did you do that, Peppa?
Oh, I just jumped up with his face, and then I get on here, and then I jumped in there. Okay, come on, Daddy Pig.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, splash. We found the water.
I'm gonna go inside too. Wait, we didn't go to camping yet. We went to a desert, and now we're at a beach, but
Well,
we didn't go camping.
We camped at the desert. We did some camping at the desert, and then we saw a spider, so we came for a swim instead.
No, we need to go to camping. That's not desert. It's called camping.
Okay, well, let's have a little swim first, shall we?
Okay. Woo-hoo!
Whoa, that was a big splash, Peppa.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! This is nice. Yeehaw! Wow! A pool!
Whoa, what's going on in here? Whoa! Whoa, I fell out of the water.
A pet! No!
Where's the pet?
A pet!
He's trapped.
I'll save him. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun,
Peppa, how did you get through that?
I got a pet.
Oh, well done, Peppa. Oh, we've got a massive camping bag today.
Yep. Can't forget a telephone. Now we better get. How will we fit this in a van? Uh-oh. I have an amazing idea.
What's the idea? What is the idea, Peppa?
I'll show you. Let's go camping, Daddy Pig.
We're here already, are we?
Yeah. A bed. A nice cozy bed. Where's our pet? No, where's our pet?
Oh, there he is.
A pet's my favorite toy too.
Oh, very nice. Yoo-hoo.
I also got some food for us.
Ooh, it looks like doggy food.
No, it's treats. It's bones.
Oh,
But it's for humans.
human bones.
Yeah. Also for pets.
Very nice.
We can save this one, Daddy Pig.
Oh, this is delicious.
Wait! We've gotta do something. We're on a mission.
Wait, what's this? Looks like a compass. We're gonna need this camping.
Yeah.
What else have you got in there, Peppa?
take all stuff. I got a giant phone.
Wow. Some binoculars. We can look for the eagle.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Looks like another toy. Ooh.
It's all the stuff I can really find. Take a whole bunch of
Oh, a golf ball. Are we playing golf today?
Wait a minute. What is this?
I'm not sure.
It means we need to go on a mission. Boop. Colorful. Daddy Pig, enter.
Okay.
Where's the book, Dada? Where's the book?
I don't know where the book is.
Nothing in there. Put on bed. My toy. Pet. Daddy Pig.
Oh, time for bed.
I like to put a puppy teeth back. Put a puppy teeth back. It's quite a long day.
It has been a long day. Time to get some rest. Good night, Peppa.